Hi all, welcome to another video of TNOC. In this video, we are going to look at some daily checks which Tata recommends to do. Let's see what those checks are and how to do them. The Tata recommends some daily checks. There are around 6 checks that we need to do daily, and I know all of us are very busy with office work, personal commitments, other things. So if not daily, at least do this once a week and every time before you start on a trip or a long drive. The 6 things to be checked which are recommended by Tata are engine oil level, brake oil level, wiper fluid, coolant, battery water and tire pressure. So these 6 are very important to keep your car running well, and if either of them is less, you may have trouble in driving the car. It might cause a little bit of inconvenience. So before you go on a trip or a long drive or on a weekly basis, of course most of us are free on Sundays, right? So please do these checks and ensure that your vehicle is running smoothly, and it's always better to top up these fluids at home rather than be at a far off place, unknown place, and trying to find a Tata service center there and wasting time trying to do that. So let's get into this video. Let's see how to do these checks one by one.